Hello and welcome to an introduction to Toad Mac Edition, simple to use productivity-oriented application that can be installed and used on Mac OS. Today I'm going to show you the basics, application layout, and key features and benefits. Toad Mac Edition allows you to work with your Oracle database, MySQL and PostgreSQL databases. After installation, the tool will try to detect all JDBC drivers and set path to the drivers for you. Let's create a new connection for Oracle database. Click Connect and choose New Connection item. Now select Oracle and click the Choose button. New form opens and here we can specify basic connection settings. Let's change the host name to IP address. I would like to save the password and I will test the connection. Okay, the connection is okay. Now I will confirm changes. The connection to my database has been established. On the left side we can see a quick overview of the database structure. Click any object to see object details. To open more than one detail, right-click any object and select Open in New tab. Toad Mac Edition is not just a database browser. You can quickly create tables and views and other objects by clicking appropriate icon on application toolbar. Or you can click the DB object item and select other objects to open a form where you can also select sequence, synonym, and so on. To perform some basic tasks like compilation of stored procedures, select stored procedure, right-click on it, and choose Compile, Compile with Debug, and other options. If you work with data, then the good news is the data can be exported or imported into your tables using wizards. Right-click on an item and choose Export Data. New wizard opens, you can easily add parent tables, child tables. You can also choose format for your export. You can export it into editor, clipboard, single file. Other possibilities you have is to exclude some data types, select items from your table, and so on. Export into a file is not the only option how to work with data. If you wish to add a single record to your database, open Object Detail and edit data in the grid directly. Now you can easily change values in the grid. For items that have some specific data type, Toad Mac Edition offers you advanced editor. One of key features of Toad Mac Edition is Worksheet. Click the Worksheet icon to open an editor where you can write and execute your SQL code. Worksheet offers you syntax highlighting features, syntax check feature that shows errors and warnings on the fly, formatter, and code compilation that helps you to write SQL statements quickly. Let's make a quick demonstration. Here we can see syntax check, code compilation, and formatting. We can execute the SQL statement and here we can see the result set, and also in the SQL recall pane we can see that the select was successfully executed. In addition to Worksheet, Toad Mac Edition includes SQL Editor where code of stored procedures and functions can be edited. Let's select the stored procedure, right-click on it and select Edit. In the SQL Editor we can compile the stored procedure and store it into our database. Existing stored procedures and functions can be executed either from the Database Explorer or from Object Detail. Let's select the stored procedure once again and choose Run With. Now define input values and click the Execute button at the bottom. As we can see, the execution was successful and here we can see output value. Other views include Outline, where you can find details of selected objects or items defined in Worksheet. DBMS Output, it's a view that's available only for Oracle databases. SQL Monitor, we can enable tracking of all commands sent to our database. SQL Problems, in this view the last error will be displayed with details. SQL Recall, where you can find a list of executed commands. And QuickDoc, it's a view where some documentation can be displayed, for example commands, like here for the T document table.